Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The base dimension is 200 by 80, height is 85 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more like these videos. Select extruded bars, select right plane, select line, give the dimension 200 mm, select midpoint and origin midpoint, give collinear. Again select line, give the dimension 57 mm. mm. '85 and 32 mm. Here to here 32. This is 28. Next select line, select this line, give a vertical constraint, base to height 60, here to here 30. This height is 40. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane 80 mm. Select billet 28 mm this edge. Select this surface, sketch, select rectangle, give the dimensions 22, 22, 36, 32. This is 22. select line, give the dimensions 32, 22, 16. Trim entities, trim this line. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Select extruded cut. Here we can select through hole. Apply. Next, select this surface, sketch. R15 and M15 is there. Select circle. Give the dimension 50, dia 30. Here to select convert entities. Give the dimension here to here 25. Select line, select trim entities, select this point and origin point, give vertical constraint. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Here select up to surface. First reverse the direction, this surface. Next there is a M15 thread. Actually M15 standard not available. We will do M14 or M16. Select hole wizard. Select here straight tap, ISO bottoming tap dowel. Size we can give M14 or M16. Don't select through hole. Up to next. Select position, go to 3D sketch, okay. You can compare both the drawings, friends. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comment box, and please do subscribe my channel and support me, friends. Now we can assign the material here. I will select chrome, select edit appearances, so you can assign which color you want here. Finally save the part. That's it, friend, today's session. I hope you like this session. Once again, I'm requesting you to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you, friends.